Hey y'all, Kathy here. I hope I can do this right. I hope this turns out. I'm gonna feed some goats again. They are the cutest. It don't take no time at all for them to eat this. Good to the last drop, right? Well, y'all, let me see if I can pick this up and show you. These little girls are the cutest. Oh, I'm sorry, he's a boy. The one on the left's a boy. Lucy's on the right. I can't remember his name. I ain't too good with that. But they're trying to, they got another month to feed them, bottle feed them, and then they'll be going back to eating the regular pellets all by themselves. So I am here in Georgia, actually loving the fact that I'm able to play around with animals and stuff like that. I want to show you these chickens and ducks and stuff that she's hatched out. Most of them, some of them she's bought. And they are ready to eat too. But she's got a special way she feeds them. So these are the ducks. And all the chickens are over yonder. Now I'm going to tell you right now, there's one little chicken that I am thoroughly in love with. And I'm going to show that one to you if she doesn't. Isn't that the most precious little gold chicken right there? I told her I was going to take that one home with me. See it back there? And I forget what they called him. I want to say Frankie or something like that. I don't know. But he is gorgeous. He is totally gorgeous. I like these two right here too. They are really pretty. I like their markings. You know, I like the, and that one right there is the one that she hatched out from my place. That black and speckled. David can tell her what that is. But I thought she had gotten a silky from mine, but I guess not. But they are so cute. Just their markings. I like the mixed breed ones. They have different markings and they're pretty and so forth. But he went in for a swim. They got a pretty cool little setup here. They put a canopy on the top last time I was here, and so that the hawks don't try to come in here. And they're doing pretty good with theirs. I wished I was doing so good at home. David's trying to catch whatever's messing with mine, but we'll see. I don't know. Oh, it's so beautiful and peaceful out here. Absolutely gorgeous place. Michael and his brother, I guess his brother, I don't know. Anyways, I know Michael owns this land all the way back there. So it is an absolutely gorgeous, and way over there too. There's a house right there, but they own, I don't know why that property wasn't in their plot, but their property goes way back behind that house too. It's funny how things are done. I wonder what this is. Whatever it is, this stick right here, it almost looks like a, what do you call them? Plum or a pear. Whatever it is, something's broke it. Oh my goodness gracious. And down over here, she's got, I think she said blueberries or blackberries or something. And I'll get over there and look at them. Back in the fall, everything was all growed up and I couldn't see them. I think they're blackberries. They're in bloom, but I don't think they'll be. Maybe they're blueberries. I don't know. Let's get closer. They're blueberries. Oh my word. I'd be in heaven because you guys know I literally eat blueberries all the time. I would definitely have all this cleaned out and fix this. I may help them do that while I'm here. Cut out all that bramble and stuff underneath there. But I'm sure them deer will be over here eating this too. Yep, these are definitely blueberries. Beautiful bushes. Look at the little finch right there. Oh no. Looks like he moved. Oh well. There's a lot of little wildlife and birds and stuff in here. There's another bird back there. Looks like a cardinal, but I'm not sure. There's that finch, or a finch. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't see him. Go figure, when I tried to get him on camera, they got to move away, right? Anyways, they're all up in them trees over there too. And back there is the old house where they lived. I'll take you back there. Sorry, I'm not too great at walking and not moving. I hope I don't make y'all sick. Now, I think this is plum trees back here, but I'm not sure. Maybe apple trees, I don't know. But she's got, they've got some fruit trees back here too that they were telling me about, that they tried to get some off of and the deer had eaten them. They do have a lot of deer here too. So they did plant a lot of trees out there where they had that cut. Let me get closer. I don't know if that's a, Yeah, that looks like a pear tree, but I could be right. Could be a plum. They look so close together. Nope, that's apple, I think. Heck, I don't know. I'll have to ask him. Isn't it gorgeous, though? And that one over there. Man, I'd be getting starts on those. I'd be air layering them and putting them throughout the yard because these are looking like they're like they got some damage. I'd be moving them around, trying to get something out of them. They were telling me about some flowers back here that I'm going to dig up and take home with me. Some of them. But I don't know where they are. Oh, I think this is a patch of them here. And they said they'll spread for me. They're buttercups or something. Y'all, my shoes are soaking wet. I tried to keep these dry, but aren't they gorgeous? That's what they'll look like. I'm gonna dig up several mounds of these and bring them home and put them in my flower beds for my bees. So I think I don't know why they haven't gotten their cow yet, but anyways, hopefully they'll get it while I'm here. I haven't asked her about that. I should ask her. A lot of cool stuff around here. I love old farmhouses. All kinds of weird old tools and stuff. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Absolutely gorgeous. And he has been tilling the garden out there, and we'll be planting in that soon. Whoops, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to put my hand over the thingy. So anyways, folks, I got my phone upside down. I hope this doesn't come out upside down. Anyways, I hope that you guys are having as good a time as I am right now, trying to forget all about what's going on in the world and enjoying a little bit of country. Anyways, hope to see you guys tomorrow night. Today's Tuesday. I don't know when I'll put this up, but it should be up soon. Now, I am going to get one of these too. These are wild roses. I think that's what they said. No, that's not either. That's blackberries. Huh. If I can find a wild rose bush too, I'm going to dig it up and take it home with me. I'm sure there's one around here somewhere. They've got a whole bunch up yonder. But I think she said something about having somewhere else. Oh, there. Look here. That's how they look. Oh, here I go putting my finger in front of the thing. That's how they look, all bloomed out. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm going to have these around at the house. Looking forward to having some extra beauty around. It's so neat to listen, you stop and listen and you hear all these little rustlings in the grass and stuff, and you don't know if it's what kind of animal it is or whatever. It could be a bird, it could be a snake, it could be a squirrel, it could be just about anything. It's so neat. David's got his work cut out for me. We got to find us a place. Just makes me crave it even more. He's not gonna let me come up here anymore and take care of my animals if I get too rambunctious. But we are looking for the perfect place. We're not going to just jump into something. So y'all pray for us to find something cool. I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye now.